Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I know I have been a little MIA lately, juggling with my studies and my internships, but I'm so excited to share with you all one good news that I have converted my internship into a full time role at Burn Center. It was really tough, but I was able to pull it off, and right now I am actually trying to shift my focus on my health and personal growth. So I'm kind of focusing on workouts, reading books, and basically taking self care and all. So let me tell you what is my workout routine. So yesterday was the packed day at the gym. We did three sets of lat pull down, seated rows, shrugs, back extension, and bicep curls, plus some stretching. And today I'm vlogging it and sharing it with you all. Uh, Also, I'm sharing what I eat in a day. So let's jump right into the video. So I start my day with lemon water and honey just to cleanse up my system and feel fresh in the morning. And while enjoying that, I go through my office emails or updates if there are any. Then I start prepping for my lunch. Today I'm making harvest bowl with eggs. Since sweet potato are a great source of fiber, so I chop and lightly fry them. And then I also use avocado as a good source of fats in our diet. Then to add more flavors to the bowl, I add different sauces like barbecue, sriracha, or whichever one you like. And then just enjoy your food. After finishing my work, I like to go to cafe and enjoy reading a book with my coffee. Around 7 o'clock, we head back to gym, do some warm-up exercises. And since today is back day, so we focus on lats. This exercise will help improving posture and develop a wider back. And then we do some extension and shoulder shrugs. And this extension exercise is very good for lower back. It makes your lower back strong. And then after a good workout, we head back to home and prep for our dinner. So today we made zesty lemon salad, and to be honest, it was very tasty.
All groomed. अच्छा